Give London a Lift is our fantastic scheme to help charities and communities in London. Every month we give two £1,000 prizes of store credit to worthy groups in the community. This month in our Maida Vale store we are delighted to support the Dalgarno Trust. The Dalgarno Trust is a wonderful community centre in North Kensington that does great work in their community. They visited us here in our Maida Vale store to buy paint and equipment to make their community centre look great.
Well, the Dalgarno Trust run this community centre here in North Kensington, and where the building is actually owned by the council, RBKC, and we receive money from the council, from the NHS and from various other funds to run lots of different projects that benefit our community. Funding is always an issue, and every penny we get we spend on our community, but anyone who comes here can see it's a bit tatty around the edges, and we're quite keen to smarten ourselves up. We were delighted when we saw the Give London a Lift programme, and we got the opportunity to apply for this £1,000 from Leyland SDM, and so we've been able to go over to the Maida Vale branch, which is very near to us here actually, and we've been able to buy lots of paint, brushes, all the stuff you need to paint and decorate a building like ours. So big thanks to Leyland SDM for their support in making our centre look smarter.
Here at Leyland SDM we are very happy to support good causes within the communities in which we operate.